That'll probably be good. Made it to Lake Tahoe.
Made it to Lake Tahoe. It's cold.
We gotta go do our hike.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
It's the Picnic Rock Viewpoint.
Picnic Rock Viewpoint, Tahoe Rim Trail.
Tahoe Rim Trail.
We're picking up the Tahoe Rim Trail.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people. Day 6, our legs pretty much feeling every step we take now. Knees hurt, ankles hurt. But we're not getting old, right? Say it again.
You're older than me.
It's true. Lookout. It said 4x4 vehicles only, but I think we're in one. We're in the Nissan. Nissan what? Sentra. Nissan Sentra. Just look it up. It's a 4x4 vehicle for sure. It's just a lot of business people also drive it. So Amanda and I went to this lookout that supposedly has a good view out over the lakes. But as you can see, there is a storm that has rolled in. Still really pretty, it's just storm everywhere.
Made it to the play park.
Wow, here we go.
I was worried it wasn't legit, but
number 1. Yeah, it's a legit place.
It's a legit. Well, we haven't gotten inside yet, so.
So the interesting thing about this place, oh, it's a little dark. Interesting thing about this place is it is contactless service.
So everything, there's no front desk. Everything was done via like phone or internet, and there's like an app that they have, like a website that has all your details. You can text them if you need a towel. You have a code for your room, like there's no key. It's pretty cool.
First time staying in one of these, so
yeah.
Let's go check out the room. Oh, all right.
Wow, this is cute.
Yeah, look at this.
I'm into it.
Amanda, where are we right now? Sunny's.
Sammy's barbecue shop.
Sony's or Sam's?
Sunny's.
And we got them to change it to the Hurricanes game.
That's right.
What'd you get?
I got one snickerdoodle, one chocolate chip cookie with dark chocolate ice cream.
Funfetti, one macadamia nut, and s'mores. It'd be a terrible simple. We'll see.
I was wondering if other people get up for sunrise on vacation.
Probably
or is it
not.
Just us.
I think it's just us.
But we were saying it's a great time because then you can just take a nap later.
True. This is what we're about to see.
I'm wearing like 20 layers right now though.
It is really cold in Lake Tahoe. What's the temperature?
It's 37 degrees.
And what was it in Yosemite on average? In
80s?
the 60s, 70s?
I mean, yeah, like
in the mornings.
we could start a hike in shorts.
So we're out here at Emerald Bay State Park. I mean, this is gonna be incredible. Try and take a time lapse. See what we can come up with. Amanda is sitting in the heated car. I'm a little jealous. We are at Eagle Falls Hike. We just parked here on the side of the road. We just saw a really cool sunrise. You might have already seen this in the video. Now we're gonna go do a hike, so come on, let's go. Amanda, how are you feeling this morning?
Good. I'm still awake right now. It's 7 a.m. so it's like normal, but I think it'll hit me at 2 in the afternoon. But it's cold. It's really cold.
Temperatures in the 30s here in Tahoe, so
5 shirts on and
yeah, Yosemite weather felt great compared to this. Well, the Eagle Falls Vista Trail is super family friendly. How long did it take us to get up here?
10 minutes?
Not
Maybe?
even. Not even 10. This is cool, and you get a cool view of the lake. That's the easiest hike we've done.
Oh, I mean,
It wasn't even a hike. More just a trail up to a good view. So now we're taking the longer trail to Eagle Lake. It's cold. Do people in Tahoe go to the lake when it's 38 degrees outside? You people are nuts. Here's what we're thinking. We think the fee for the wilderness permit is waived today, which means you don't have to have a permit. So we're gonna do this hike. We could be way off, but we could get all the way to this lake and they turn us around before the view or something. We're on the way by a park ranger. We're going for it. We'll report back. All right, Sheila, this is for you.
this is for you. This is for your calendar.
What month is this?
I'm thinking this might be January
This is January's picture?
because it's so cold.
So
Oh,
I can
I
zoom.
need to lighten that part, I think. Reporting back, no permit required, nothing checked. There's tons of people, so I guess the fee is waived. I don't know for how long, but I think you just have to check the board in the bottom of at the end of the trail in the parking lot.
So we have no clue how much the fee would be if you came during like normal park days, park hours, whatever. We didn't have to pay anything. It might be like $10 to park and to walk up to the lake. So Amanda looked up online that you're supposed to get somewhere to park and stay there all day. This is the reason why. People are hovering, waiting to park in a spot. So make sure you get here early if you're gonna do Emerald Bay State Park.
Yeah, or Eagle Falls. I mean, it's all in the same area, and the Viking Shlom, or however you say it.
Did we find out if the kayak place is open?
Are they rangers? I don't know.
Yeah.
Park people said no, absolutely, and I was like, oh, okay, definitely not. Yeah, we weren't thinking about doing it today.
She literally said, if you fall in today, you might die of cold shock.
I mean, there is like a record number of dead bodies at the bottom of Lake Tahoe. Apparently.
Amanda loves bringing up that fact that there's a record number of dead
It's a shout
bodies
out
at the
to-
bottom of Lake Tahoe.
Shout out to Jody Snyder.
Oh, is this our Airbnb for
Yeah.
Tahoe? we at the ocean?
You would think so, but no. Lake Tahoe. Wow.
So warm. You want to feel? We are sitting at the beach with our long sleeve shirts and pants on.
It's cold. The sun feels nice.
I mean, you
it's
can.
cold.
We are sitting at the beach, but you can see snow right over here. That's snow on top of the mountain over there. You can watch kids skipping rocks. You can watch kayakers. I've been watching this one couple sitting at a sandbar for the last probably 20 minutes now trying to paddle, and people keep coming by and telling them like, oh, you just have to stick your paddle further in the water, but little do they know they're on a sandbar. There's a little girl trying to build a sandcastle, but this sand is just a bunch of crumbled rocks, so it doesn't stick. There's like people laying out to tan, but they're wearing full coats and pants. Tahoe's an interesting place. This is summer in Tahoe. Wasn't thinking about it. Has a line out the door, so just get here and wait, it's worth it. He's coming this way. Oh my gosh. Oh no, you think I should drive a little bit?
No, just stay put.
He's going across the... He just went across the road. Oh wow, look at that. Oh my gosh.
They must have gotten him because he's a shave spot.
Wow. That was nuts.
It's also funny. He like is used to traffic. Did you see how he looked?
Yeah. Amanda, what did we just see?
We saw a bear in Lake Tahoe.
And he just crossed the road.
I thought he was coming right at our car for a second. I was like, oh my gosh.
All right. What's it called?
Getaway Cafe.
Getaway Cafe review.
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go try to lay down somewhere in the sun.